Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Tonkeeper mobile application, and then you just have to simply log in into your account by providing your fingerprints or your passcode. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page you will be able to see various types of options. Now you have two options in order to deposit USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. In the first option, you can directly buy USDT. In order to do this, you just have to tap on the buy and sell button on the home page, and then you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you are going to see the option of buy USDT, and underneath it you are going to see the third-party service providers that you can use in order to purchase USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. So among these service providers, you just have to select the service provider that you want to use. So let's say I want to use MoonPay, so I'll simply tap on MoonPay. Then it will show me this type of pop-up in the bottom where you just have to tap on the open MoonPay button. Now once you do this, you will be landed on the official website of MoonPay where you just have to provide these details. So over here you just have to enter the amount in USD. If you want to change your currency, then you just have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that in the search bar you just have to type your currency, and then you just have to change your currency if you want to. Then you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. Once you do this, you will be landed on the next page where it will ask you to enter your email address. So here first you will have to create your account on MoonPay. Only then you will be able to get the payment options. So after creating your account, you just have to provide your payment method like your debit or credit card, Google Pay, or any other payment method that is available as per your country. Then you just have to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to deposit USDT on your Tonkeeper wallet. If you want to view it, then you just have to come back on the home page and you will be able to see your current balance on the top. The second method of depositing USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet is of receiving it from any other wallet or exchanges that you have. So in order to do this, you just have to tap on the receive button, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy this address from here. Then you just have to open that particular exchange or that particular wallet in which you have your USDT. So let's say I have my USDT in my Binance account, so I'll simply launch my Binance account. So once you are in your Binance mobile application, you just have to tap on this wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to tap on the spot tab in the top. Then you just have to scroll down and you just have to tap on USDT. Afterwards, you need to tap on the withdrawal button in the bottom. Then you just have to tap on send via crypto network. After that, you just have to paste the address in the section in the top that you have just copied from Tonkeeper wallet. Then it will automatically take the network, and then you just have to enter the withdrawal amount of USDT that you want to deposit in your Tonkeeper wallet. Afterwards, you just have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your transaction, and after waiting for some time, you will be able to get your USDT in your Tonkeeper wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.